Pisses Robert off. He snaps and he's like, guys, y'all need to get this fucking line in order. And I'm like, whoa, hold on, let me back up a little bit. I'm gonna tell you this story of me finally meeting Robert Kiyosaki. Like, I finally got to meet this guy. I started my entrepreneurial journey by reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, as did a lot of people. Check this out. Go in the line, the book sign is coming. First thing, you go see Kim Kiyosaki's over there. I get her book. I'm about to go get that sign. Bam, I get in line. We're sitting there talking to her, chatting, talking about the cash flow board game. You know, appreciate what you done, blah, blah, blah. All the same little spiel here. We start chatting about real estate a little bit, kind of asking her feedback on some stuff. Get the book signed. I say, hey, so isn't Robert supposed to be signing too? They go, yeah, Robert's signing in a little bit. The line gonna start over there. I'm like, okay, cool. Let me slide my ass right over here so I'm early at the line. So I'm second person in the line, right? And I'm waiting on Robert to come get there. And as he comes sit down, everybody's excited. You know, they get a sticky note, write your name on it so he knows who to sign out the book to. And we're gonna get a picture, and this one guy comes from the side, skipping the line like an asshole, and pisses Robert off. I'm talking about this dude snaps. He snaps and he's like, guys, y'all need to get this fucking line in order. And I'm like, whoa, hold on, let me back up a little bit, because when I first met Robert, I didn't know this motherfucker was 6'1", 6'2". I'm like, this dude tall as hell. This dude gets the sign, gets the picture. I back up. I'm like, man, I should have stole off of him right then and there. And so I go back into the line. I'm like, you know what? Finally get my picture, Robert Kiyosaki. You can see those pictures here. I didn't even know one of the pictures looked like I wanted to fight him. I didn't. I was just serious face, I guess. A couple hours from there, I ended up seeing him again. And he's just out around in the lobby, just chilling, just talking with him, just kind of chilling. And I ended up talking to him. And man, when I say this dude cool, chill, and just funny as shit for no reason, like you ever meet somebody that's so funny, they don't even know that they funny. And so we talking, I said, you know what? I got on a call one time with Grant Cardone, and I asked him, I said, when are you guys going to do an interview together? I have not seen an interview with you guys. And he was like, Grant was like, you know what? We're supposed to be doing one in a couple weeks. I'm like, for real? Okay, cool. Watch the interview, and man, were they butting heads.
Grant, hang on one second. I'm being very clear with people. I don't recommend that at all.
And I'm like, Robert was like, I don't approve of what you do. Grant was like, well, shit, this is what I do. Fuck what you talking about. And so Robert, when I told him, he was like, he's a con man. Started dying laughing. I was like, hell no. And he was like, I can't stand fucking people like that. They're all pussy bitch cunts or some shit like that. And I'm like, man, this dude is dying. And then he started talking about Susie Orman and how all the people print money and buy it in and all this other shit. Now, one thing that kind of threw me over when I was talking to him, dude, we was tagging when he went to tell a joke and was laughing. He like hit me in the chest. He hit me. I was like, hold up, man. Look, you too tall for that shit. You better calm down. We were sitting there chatting, and you know, he looked at me, he was like, man, you a good man. I really appreciated that. And he was like, yeah, you're a good man and everything. And how I got him to say that is because if you watch his videos, you know when you agree with him, then you on his good side. But that's my story for talking to Robert. Yeah, like I said, I didn't know the dude was that tall. That threw me off, like threw me way off. He definitely don't take no shit. He does not take bullshit. He's a Marine, an ex-Marine, used to fight in the Vietnam War. He's been to wars. I'm sure his PTSD be flaring. And then the fact that he just deals with idiots, that just pisses him off. And then, you know, when you get older, you kind of get tired of dealing with the bullshit. So I understand why he be snapping sometimes. And he even says he got an attitude problem. Like some people don't, especially when you're dealing with idiots all the damn time.